guys, so you know that I'm always preaching about how you need to have hair hydration. Basically, watering your hair plant. So I'm very familiar with this product. I've watched this product on a YouTuber that I'm subscribed to, Wood on the Whim, and I was excited when they reached out to me. So where a good hydration comes, a good cleanser should follow. So what is Formulate? Formulate is literally a shampoo and conditioner that you can customize to your own needs. So once you get on the site, it's going to ask a series of questions about you, your hair type, and your hair goals. So what I'm showing you guys now is questions that I filled out, and showing, you know, everything about me and my hair type, how my hair feels. I mean, you guys, they go in depth on what you need to know about them and what they want to know about you. And as a hairstylist, I love that because it's really kind of on the cool educating you guys on things that you do really need to know about your hair. And I love how much they break it down, because basically, as a stylist, if we're selling product, these are the type of things that we're looking to put into our products. So it's dope that you have your own chemist to show you what you can do to make your own product. And y'all, they even have it down to the scent. It's crazy because they have peach mango, and I use that in my hair salon, so I'm very familiar with this scent. I love it so much. This is how the bottle looks when you get it. This is the shampoo, and in the white bottle is the conditioner. I have the 8 ounce, but they do have other sizes. Because I have color treated hair, I decided to go with purple in my shampoo so I can eliminate brassy tones over time, because after a while it will get brassy, and I like that they have that option for me. This shampoo has great lather. Also, it has a stripping effect, but it's not too bad of a strip. It's getting the job done, and it still has a little moisture. So the great thing about your personal chemist, if you feel that something needs to be added to or altered a little bit, that's what they're for. So I told my chemist to put a little more moisture in the shampoo for the next shampoo that will come to me. For the conditioner, I really loved it. It's amazing. It feels so soft. I part my hair in 4 sections, and I put 4 pumps per section because my hair type 4BC. I can't just do a little bit. I'm gonna be real with you guys. Now, if it was like a lesser texture, like a 3 or however 4A audit, I say go half the amount. But for my personal use, I needed that much. So what's dope is all this can be done on a mobile app. On their app, you literally can click on it and you're instantly connected with your personal chemist. Okay, you guys, so to enter into this giveaway, I will have the link below in my description box. For US only, one person will receive an 8-ounce bottle of the shampoo and the conditioner. Also, once you get on the link, make sure you enter your full name and your email, and that's how they will be able to contact you. So bonus, you guys, if you even enter, you will still receive $5 off, but only in the US. So you guys, outside of the US, I will have a giveaway for you as well, so stay tuned. And again, you guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in, supporting me, and we reached 20K, you guys, and growing, and it's because of you that I'm at this point. Thank you so much.